What I'm about to share with you in this video, I'm pretty sure you have not heard about this before. And if you implement this one fix in your life creation and manifestation journey, it will have a massive ripple effect in every single area of your life. And you will exactly understand how to proceed with life creation work. Hey guys, welcome back to the Mindful Abundance. I'm Khushi. I'm a quantum manifestation and healing coach, and on this channel I share a lot of my knowledge and experiences around manifestation, mindfulness, quantum world, spirituality, and a lot of healing. So if you're interested in any of these worlds, and if you're interested in learning the art of life creation and manifestation to create ultimate transformation in your life, then go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any future videos and you can create the mindful abundance and beautiful shifts in your life. So in today's video, I'll be sharing one of the biggest mistakes that people make while they're trying to manifest and create something in their life. And for some reason, nobody talks about it. And this is one thing which can create massive changes in your life. And I will also share ways in which you can fix this. So let's get right into the video. Stop creating from the baggage of your past. Stop creating from the pain of your past experiences. Instead, choose to create from the desire and love and happiness and joy of creating something new in life. Choose the space of love. Now let's look at what does it mean. Let me share an example of one of my students and her journey, and so that you will be able to uncover what actually this entire thing means through a live example and a live life transformation situation. Okay, so this student of mine, she really wanted to manifest a new job. She kept saying that she wanted to manifest and create a new job for herself because she was not feeling good enough in her new job. She kept saying that, the current job, the bosses or her manager was not good, the pay that she was getting was not good, she deserved better. She was saying that the colleagues and her work environment was not that great, and overall the culture of her work organization was just kind of toxic. So when she was having this conversation, I asked her, okay, great, all of these are good enough reasons to look for a new job. So now tell me, why do you want to create and manifest a new job? And when I asked her this question, she again went on to explain that, you know what, Khushi, like I said before, I'm not really enjoying this job. And to be honest, previously I was in some other company, and then I switched from that company to come to this organization to find the exact same thing. The work culture is still the same, and my boss here is also not very great. The colleagues are also pretty much similar to what I had experienced in the past. So I again want to, create and manifest a new job. So I asked her again, well, great, I understand all of this, but tell me, why do you want to manifest a new job for yourself? You see, I kept asking and repeating the same question again and again because as a coach and as a mentor, I want to enable my students to be able to understand their own patterns and behaviors in life so that they can come out of those situations and catch themselves in the act. So in this situation, what happened is she went again to explain me that how she was feeling unappreciated, how she was feeling stuck, how she felt that she deserved better, but she was still not able to manifest a better job. So when she said all of this, that's when I did go ahead and have a deep conversation with her. And in that conversation, we spoke about a lot of things. And today in this video, I'll tell you a lot of the things that I told her. Okay, if you notice, she was stuck in this pattern of creating and manifesting a job which she did not enjoy. She was stuck with managers or bosses that did not appreciate her. She was stuck with people and colleagues that did not probably like her, or she did not like them. She was stuck being underpaid, and every single time that she was switching her job, she was still finding herself in a similar situation. Now, any guesses why this was happening? I'll tell you exactly why this was happening. It was happening because, like most people, she wanted to create something new in her life or manifest something new in her life because of the pain and frustration of her current and past situations. She wanted a new job because the old ones were not that great. She wanted a new manager or boss she wanted to work with because the old experience with her bosses was not good. They were probably the worst that she came across. She wanted a new high paying job because the current job did not pay her good enough. Since she was creating all of these things from the pain and suffering and frustration of her experiences of the past, no matter how many times she actually manifested a new job, she kept repeating the same patterns. She kept creating similar situations in her life. And almost everyone does it. All of us have this habit of creating something new or wanting to create something new just because of the pain and frustration of the current life that we experience on day-to-day basis or the past experiences that we have had in our life. So how about you shift the focus from the pain of your past to the pleasure of the desired reality, and you embody that pleasure in the now. That's the secret sauce. So what do I mean by this? How about you, instead of manifesting job from a icky space, you manifest new job because you are ready to up level in life. You want to manifest a new job because a new opportunity excites you. You want to manifest a new job because you are ready to work with the managers and the colleagues who appreciate you. You want to manifest a new job because the opportunity, the desire of creating something new every single day and learning on the job excites you and makes you literally jump out of your bed every single morning when you get up. You see, these are very different reasons to manifest something. And the reasons that normally people manifest from have a lot of emotional baggage and trauma attached to it. So instead of focusing on the displeasure and the situations and ickiness of the things that have happened in the past, you need to shift your focus to what you actually want in life and why you want in life. Let me give you another example around relationships, because this is something which I often get asked a lot. How about you want to manifest a beautiful relationship because you're ready to be loved the way you deserve? How about you want to manifest a beautiful relationship because you want to feel the most safe and secure and happy with that person? And not from the baggage of your past relationships, not because you feel like you don't deserve to be loved, none of those reasons, right? So you change and shift your focus in the direction of what you actually want, right? Now, don't get me wrong here. Of course, your desires can come from your past life situations. For example, maybe growing up you did not have a car and now you want to manifest or buy a new car in your life because you want to experience that luxury. Maybe you want to travel more or create more money, more abundance, or maybe you want to take those guitar lessons because of your past experiences in life journey, and maybe at some point of time you really wanted to do these things and you could not. That's great. That's completely all right. Trust me, a lot of things that I have created and manifested in my own life are a direct result of my past experiences and life situations that I have experienced as a child and as an adult. It's completely all right. I have created a lot of things in my own life. However, there's a huge difference. You need to understand this really very well, that there's a huge difference between creating something from the inspiration of your life experiences versus creating something from the victim mindset and frustration and pain of your life experiences. Learn to create something new in your life from the space of happiness, joy, love, and inspiration. That's the place you want to be in when you are manifesting, creating, planning out your life, vision, goals, whatever it is. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far and if you've learned something new today, then please give it a like and comment below and let me know about it. So now let's look at how do you actually fix this and start manifesting and creating from the space of love. The very first thing that you can do is you can start by grounding yourself in the present moment. You can start by actually grounding in the present and then accepting what is. And from that space, you actually look at what do you want to now create and why do you want to create that particular thing in your life from the lens of love. The next amazing thing that you can do is create rock solid rituals in your life which help you actually go deeper on subconscious level, and they help you shift your perspective around life, around creation, and shift your perspective around what you desire in life. The third thing that you can do is connect with nature. When you're doing your creation work, life creation, manifestation work, you can actually sit in places where you are most grounded and you feel connected with nature, because nature is very abundant. And when you are in, say, rain, or when you are in a good environment, when you're taking a walk in the open space, what happens is it gives you instant gratitude and brings you in the space of love and brings you in the space of general gratitude towards life and towards your abundance that the universe has around you. The last thing that you can do is you can actually program your mind and your subconscious patterns to look at your desire from the space of love and joy and abundance, instead of looking at it from lack and frustration and victim mindset. So what this will do is it will basically change your perspective and perception about what you actually want to create in life. Now, if you've understood this and if you're ready to create your new reality and manifest things in your life from the space of love, then comment below and let me know. I will definitely reply to your comments, bless them, send you lots and lots of love and light along the way. Comment below. I'm ready to manifest and create my new reality from the space of love and inspiration. I'm ready to create and manifest my new reality from the space of love and inspiration. By the way, at this point, if you're wondering what happened to my student, let's call her Tina for the conversation purposes. So Tina went ahead and changed the entire reasons as to why she was manifesting a new job. She changed the way she was looking at her new job or life creation. And then that resulted in her attracting the most beautiful, amazing job she could have ever asked for. The best work environment, the most perfect life balance, the amazing colleagues, amazing managers, bosses, and all of that. You know, the dream job that we actually talk about and dream about, that is what she's actually doing in her life right now and is living her best life. Now, if you really want to learn the art of manifestation and life creation, go deep into your subconscious patterns and programming and actually change them and create from the space of love, create from the space of present moment, and create from the space of feeling good enough and worthy enough. If you want to create these rock solid rituals in your life which help you manifest all the wildest and craziest of desires that you could ever come across and that you could ever think, then I would invite you to the Live in Abundance Quantum Club program. It is my most deepest and most holistic life creation and manifestation program. It has hundreds upon hundreds upon hundreds of success stories of different students creating the magical shifts and creating absolutely the life they love. In this course, you will go deep into the journey of subconscious patterns, creating from the space of love, understanding why you need to create from present moment, how do you create from present moment. It is all grounded in self-love, healing, present moment life creation, and it's very, very deep experience where you create rituals that are beautiful, amazing rituals that you learn and create for life. It's not just for one-off desires or two desires. It's actually giving you and empowering you so that you learn to live in a constant state of receiving in abundance from the universe, and that you actually learn the art of true life creation, that you are always in the state of looking at life from a very different lens and perspective. You change your perspective, you change the way you look at life, you change the way you look at ebbs and ups and downs of life. You just become a totally magnetic and a different person in your energy, frequency, and vibration. So if you're really interested and if this resonates with you, I will share the link in the notifications here and in the description below. Feel free to check out the program and see if you'd like to join us on the inside. Honestly, the course itself is so powerful and so power packed that you will love every single minute of it. I would love to see you inside LIA Quantum Club. I truly hope that today's video was of value to you and you enjoyed the deep, unfiltered conversations around manifestation and life creation. If you really like this video, then do let me know in the comment section if you would want me to make more such videos which are unfiltered and deep and are slightly different from what we hear in day-to-day life. With this, I have a humble request that you please like, share and comment on this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, because it's free and it just motivates and inspires me a lot more. And when you actually engage with this video, YouTube understands that this video is providing value to people, and it will actually go ahead and push out this video in front of more people who can benefit out of this information. So please go ahead and help me create that ripple effect all around YouTube. On this note, let me end this video. Lots of love to you. I'll see you in the next one. Wishing you lots of love, happiness and prosperity in life. Take care.